Welcome, grade 2 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Okay, now let's have a recalling session. What is the topic that is going on right in this whole week in science, which you are doing? What's the name? It's about correct fruits and seeds. We are learning about fruits and seeds. And what we did yesterday? Yes, we learned about kinds of fruits. There are very many, lots and lots of kinds of fruits are there in the whole world. So we learned about kinds of fruits that are soft fruits, juicy fruits, hard fruits, right? Okay. Now let's have a recapping of all the names of all the fruits by looking at a video. And again, this video is our Edward video, our school video, right? Do watch it later on so that it's more and more clear to you all, right? Okay, let's move on. Let's watch the video. Can you see my screen, children? Wow, that's great.
Hello. Today's topic, fruits.
Fruit. Orange. Yes. Strawberry. Mmm. Cherry. Yummy. A banana. Ooh. Watermelon. It's a watermelon. Yeah. Pineapple.
All right, so that was the video about different kinds of fruits, different types of fruits, right? So what is our topic for today is seeds. Today, what we are going to learn about seeds, right? And what we are going to learn in seeds, that I'm going to tell you in a minute, okay? Now, you know there are fruits which has seeds in it. Now can you just recall and just think about it, what are the fruits that have seeds before I explain you anything? Come on. Yes, there are apples have seeds. Which other fruit have seed? Mango, very good. Which other fruit have seeds? Does a banana has seeds? No. Any other? Yes, peach, correct. Any other fruit that have seed? Yes, watermelon. Watermelon. Any other fruit? Orange. Correct. Oranges are very good. They are available these days. It's orange season. Any other fruit that have seeds? Any other fruit? Come on, think of a kiwi. Yes, a kiwi. Correct. A kiwi has has seeds. So these are the different fruits that have seeds. Now I have a presentation for you, and I'm going to show you the different fruits with along with the seeds, and you are going to see that how many fruits are there which has seeds, right? Okay, now let's move on. Let's see. Okay, these are all different fruits: apples, grapes, orange, watermelon, strawberry. You have seen this yesterday as well, day before yesterday. Now, what are seeds actually? See, uh, seeds are formed in the center part of the flower or in the fruit. Fruits come from flowers. Seeds come in many shapes and sizes. Plants grow from seeds, right? Plants grow from seeds, so seeds come in many different shapes and sizes. You can see these are the fruits with different seeds inside. Now, where are seeds, right? Now, see, watermelon, it has many seeds. Kiwi also, it has many seeds. Now, there are fruits which has only one seed. What are those? Peach, a plum. Plum also has only one seed, right? Now, see these are different types of fruits. Apple has a few seeds. Peach has only one. Strawberries doesn't have any seed. Pineapple doesn't have. And then banana doesn't have. Watermelon has many seeds. Orange has many seeds, right? Okay. Now look at the following picture of fruits and their seeds. Now seeds are here. This is watermelon. This is mango. How many seeds are there in mango? Only one seed. And this is another fruit that has many seeds. And which fruit is this? It's a papaya. Correct. Okay. Look at this picture of fruits with single seeds. Now these fruits, they have only one seeds, right? Now these are plum, peaches. These are different fruit with only one seed. Okay, so now that means you have seen so many different pictures of fruits. You have seen this picture, the fruit with single seed. You have seen this picture, fruits with many seeds and single seed. You have seen this picture, and you have seen this picture, fruits with many seeds and fruits with only one seed. Then you saw the picture, and then you saw what are seeds, right? So now coming back to our work. Now when you look at your book over here, you can find on page 35, they have shown a picture of, they have given a picture of seeds, right? Now what it says, some seeds are dry and hard. Some seeds are dry and they are hard. Some seeds are very small. Some seeds are very big. Like you can see, these are different seeds. You can see mustard seeds are very tiny. Wheat seeds are also tiny. Maize, this is also maize. It's a little big. Then peas seeds, then peanuts, then watermelon seeds. How tiny they are. So this was the picture of different types of seeds. Now, the question comes in my mind. Now, do you know, children, how many seeds are actually there in different fruits? Like you have seen mango, the fruit that have only one seed, that is mango. The fruit that have only one seed, that is a plum also, it has only one seed. Peach also has only one seed, right? Now what about orange? How many seeds are there in orange? There are many seeds, right? What about apple? Does an apple has many seeds or only few seeds? It has few seeds. Okay. And what about a papaya? Papaya has many seeds. And watermelon? Yes, it has many seeds. So these are all the different types of fruits with different kinds of and different quantity of seeds. Now is the time for you to do the task. Now I want you to open page 37 and do question number 2. You have to fill in this table with the number of seeds that each fruit has. You just have to tick mark and cross out the fruits that has one seed, the fruit that has few seeds and many seeds, right? Mostly we have done it in the class just now, so you can easily do it. It's very easy. 3 minutes time I'm going to give you, and your time starts now. Time is up. Okay. Now what you have written? Mango you have crossed, it only has one seed. Orange you have written many seeds. Apple, few. Plum, one. Papaya, many. Watermelon, many. Good job. I am so happy for my task. Very good, children. It means that the topic seeds and fruits are clear to you all. We are done with this topic today. We have started the topic fruits and seeds. We have done fruits, different types of fruits, different kinds of fruits, and how does fruits look like. You have seen so many videos, you have seen the presentation, and today we have done part of the seeds, right? There are few things which are left, which we will be doing Probably, I think so, next week. Yeah, this topic is going to continue next week also, because few things are left which we will be doing next week, and then this topic is going to end. So today what we learned about different seeds which the fruit has. Two different fruits have different kinds of seeds, different numbers of seeds. So we have done about few seeds, many seeds, and only one seeds, right? And how does what is actually a seed? How does it feels like? It feels very hard and it is dry. But some seeds are they all of equal shapes and sizes? No. Some seeds are very small, some seeds are very big, some seeds are in the medium size and shapes, but yet they are of different sizes, they are of different shapes. Now you can see this. How does a seed of an apple looks like? The size is very tiny. And whereas the how does the seed of a kiwi fruit looks like? It's tiny, more very tiny. Whereas how does the seeds of papaya? They are also tiny, but they are bigger than apple. And how are the seeds of oranges? Again, a little bigger. And how does the seed of a mango looks like? It's very big. Whereas how a seed of a peach look like? Peaches seeds are, they only have one seed which is this much big, right? And same goes for plum. So seeds come in different shapes, they are of different sizes, and they are also in different numbers, right? So this is what we did about the lesson today. Now I'll be posting the homework on your portal. Do the homework yourself. It's very easy. You will not have any problem in doing the homework. And do watch the edible videos. Do watch the videos on fruits and seeds. There are so many different videos on fruits and seeds, which I'm sure you all are going to enjoy. You all are going to like them. Okay? All right. So see you next time in your next class. Bye bye, class. Have a nice day. Bye.